Alright, new project in the house. Here I have a mini TurboGrafx 16. So my plans are to take it apart and figure out where I'm going to put an LED. It would be nice to place it underneath here, but we will see if that's even an option. Or maybe I'll just place it right here next to this little dot. So shout out to the yellow dot. Alright, first things first, take her apart. Alright, with these clips here, pretty tough. Let's see what's going on here. I don't know, this HDMI cable area here, it's not letting me do what I gotta do. Oh, there we go. Spoke too soon. Wow, look at that. Not much to this, huh? Well, here's the cover. Let me see what's going on over here. Yeah, that'll be hard to do, but I think it's possible. Let's see, I would have to cut here and along here. Maybe. I think I can get away with cutting this area here. The thing is, I don't know if this label is transparent like the original, that I can get away by putting an LED here. I might have to put one near this switch here where the dot is here for the power. It's a fake little thingy here. Let's see. Is there going to be room? Maybe here. Let me see. Yeah, or there. Or maybe, let me see. So that's an indicator. I could always put the LED right on here. See where this red is? But it's going to be a little bit of customizing. I can drill a hole right onto this here, and the tip of the LED would just be, let me see, yeah, it could, it's gonna have to be back here more. It's possible, but what I'm trying to say is drill a hole here, don't go all the way through, and have an LED sit in there, so every time you turn it on, it will go on, and it'll be hidden when you turn it off. If that makes sense. I might do that. I think so. That'll be actually pretty cool, wouldn't it? I'm gonna think about that. Meanwhile, let's take a look at this circuit board. Not much going on over here, huh? Let's take apart this shield, take a look underneath it. Besides, I need to get under there probably. That's that. And there's the board. So you got your power coming in, going through all these capacitors. Probably the audio is back here. You got the video on this section. You got your chips, power switch. Very simple. Transistors, resistors, caps, rectifiers, etc. Alright, so I'm over here playing around with these LEDs, trying to figure out which one I'm going to use. If I'm going to use this little dome flat type of situation or a classic red LED. What I need to know first is where am I going to get power from? Okay, where are you? Here and here? Or is it here? Where is it here? Okay, is it here? No, so here and here, here and here. I think right here. This leg, that leg. Let me see this opposite leg. No. And how about this one? Nope. This one. Nope. So this one and this one. Okay. Let's see what happens with that. I went into this capacitor over here, and when I plug it in, turn that off first, that switch. Yeah, they're getting loud. Oh, look at that. Now it's opposite. Wait a minute. That stays on all the time. Yeah, it does. See? I did it wrong. Nope, can't go in there. Because, yeah, look. Now it's not turning off when I turn the switch back and forth. Nope, can't go there. Back to the drawing board. Man, I was getting happy. Found a nice little spot too, and no good. So, you can just watch me unsolder this real quick. Just take that, put that, make sure that's down like that, and let me see if that's alright. Yep. Okay, very good. So back to the drawing board. Well, as you can see, it's in. And now, time to customize that case for the LED. Looking good. Alright, I drilled the hole. Now I gotta figure this out. Now, how did this go? I think this way. And here. Like that. I already went ahead and dabbed a little piece of glue here and here so I can hold that wire nice and firmly. Here, don't need it. Got a heat shrink as well on each ends. Okay, and let's see here. What I'm trying to figure out now is this here, this slider. So I don't know. I think it was like that, and then like that, on and off, on, off. Yeah, I believe it's like that. So I just gotta clear this back wire here, make sure nothing is touching. Like so. Could put a little more glue right here, just in case. You know what? I think I'm gonna do that. Ooh, went overboard with this shit. Like that and like that. So let me see. Here, 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 here. Alright. I'm happy with that. How about you guys? Okay, everything looks good. Now, cover. I gotta line it up just right with that top section there. Actually, you know what? Let me see. I think that's gonna work. Let me see. Yeah. Just making sure this little clip there comes out. Okay. That looks good, right? As you can see, you can't even see it. I'll show you after. Let me put these screws in. Alright, there we have it. All set. You can't even see it. And when you turn it on, which right now is not plugged in, you can see that little LED right there. And it's flush, so I can go back and forth without scraping against this cover here. So I think that's going to work out pretty well. Let's go ahead and power her up, hook up the HDMI, and see how she looks. Yeah. Alright, so as you can see, it's working out really nice. I'm actually digging that. Let's see if I can do this one hand one more time. Shut it off. Actually, I got a game running right now. Stays hidden. And it's shutting down. Turn back on. It's on. Let me put this down over here. Yeah. There we have it.